Ooh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Hello. How are you, beautiful people? It is getting warmer. It is getting much warmer now. So my vest is not needed. Hello, Zachary on YouTube. It's getting warmer, whānau, so your boy can't complain. Thank you very much to all those that joined the cozy stream last night on my other Twitch channel. So if you haven't already, I do have a secondary Twitch channel, but you know, it's not all about subbing and all that. It's just chilling out and jamming. I don't really play WoW on my main channel anymore because it can be a bit hard to stream, okay? But you know, I do play Overwatch still on my main channel, and that's one Blizzard title that I've been really enjoying lately. But good morning, guys. My daughter just saw the key in her oh really? Oh, there you go. Never know, bro, if I'm still on stream and carving when your young one's 21. Who knows? She may get her very own if you want. If you want, my bro. But it's good to see everybody once again. That's mean though? Oh, bro. I'll be honest, this is very simplicity, my bro. Simplicity. So we have a little few things to clean up today. I don't make threats, just promises. You just have to come back to me when, you know, when the 21st birthday comes around. Yeah, I mean, if she likes it that much. Okay. Yeah, so we've got a little bit of cleaning up to do here. But, you know, all in time. So we've got majority of it designed. Majority of it has been designed. Okay? And so what we can do now is do touch-ups. So we'll do a few touch-ups here and there. And then all that's left to do really is 21 down the other end. Hey! Just want to say thank you to the absolute love of my life for being subbed to me for 50 months. She could have been in the 70s if she started back in lockdown. But still, thank you, my love. Love you. Not afraid to say that live. I'm just saying. Just saying, guys. We can put that on the socials there. Clipped it. So my wife has started a bit of an 8-week challenge today, and I'm jumping on board with her as well. Should be fun. Yeah, thank you very much to all those that joined once again last night. Yeah, I was thinking about it. I was like, I'll go live on my other channel and just have a chill one. If you're not a part of the Discord already, I announced it last week, I think. We're gonna start having, you know, community yarn nights. So every Thursday night, night time for me, there's just gonna be like just a big Discord call in the Discord, just having yarns, and man, we could talk about a whole bunch of nothing. Yeah, we can talk about a whole bunch of nothing and, you know, still have a good time. I was just looking into... Now, I don't know if anyone rocks One Piece. Yeah, he'll probably turn up later, my bro. Cheer for being on Kick, my bro. There we go. Just a little thing as well, if you're into One Piece, did anyone see that they're turning God Valley into a movie? Yeah, they're turning God Valley into a movie instead of episodes. Well, I think they're gonna do episodes, but a movie at the same time. Man, it's gonna be so good, bro. I saw an announcement, and yeah, so God Valley is going to be a movie next year. They're doing God Valley and another one. So there's 2 movies coming out. I'm pretty hyped for the God Valley one. I mean, it's got all my favorite characters there at one time. So, yeah, pretty excited for that one. Hold up. It will be glorious, yeah, bro. What's up, Subfix? How you doing, brother? I'm currently nearing the end of the... Oh, nice, my bro. It's gonna start getting really, really good for you, my bro. So these days, I mainly just read One Piece. But, I only watch it for the good parts these days. So I'm just trying to get this. The problem with this tripod. Hello Teddy, how are you? I wonder if I just... I'm just trying to give you the best views as much as possible. Hold up. Much better. I'm busy reading Dungeon Crawler Carl book. Oh really? Jay bro. Yeah, we did an Audible thing for Dungeon Crawler Carl. It's a good book, bro. Straight up. It's genuinely a good book. Hold up, just putting our phone up. Shout out to his cat Donut. Alrighty, carrying on. I still feel like his cat's gonna be super OPA. TikTok is just not on my side these days, eh, for the lives. Hold up. Okay. So we're doing the nose, right? Where are we? Love your content. What kind of finished material do you use? I'll be using maybe tongue oil. So oil-based stain anyway. Since we don't really need to go all out because this is gonna be inside pretty much. But yeah, most likely an oil-based stain. Hey, morning TikTok. Wrath of Mjolnir. How are you going, brother? I'm going good, my bro. Going good. Hope you are as well. Do you intend to keep the natural colours? Yeah, that's pretty much why I use oil-based stains. I don't really like to take away from the natural colours and, you know, the grain of the timber. That's yeah, that's my preference, to be honest, is making sure that, you know, the grain and the timber itself is still kind of highlighted through the stain itself as well. Maori, thank you very much, Danny Lito for the rose, kia ora, and Oranga Art as well. Lachlan, how's it going, bro? Good, bro, good. All is going well. Just my whole house has got the flu at the moment, so yeah, I'm trying to stay healthy. Go to the gym, sweat it out as much as I can. Smash back a bit of a lemon drink. Yeah, just me and one of my other kids are not sick, thank goodness. So yeah, nothing too crazy over the weekend for us. Thank you, Danny. Sorry to hear that. Oh, it's all good, Steve. Wrath of Mjolnir, thank you very much, my bro. But hope you're all doing well, TikTok. Hope you're all doing well. We're just doing a 21st key for my nephew, and majority of the designing part is done. And kinda all I'm doing is just a few little touch-ups here and there, and then we'll get back to the key section of it all. Get up the super glue. Finally get to see one of your lives. Oh, I hope you're doing good. If you have any questions as well, feel free to ask. So what I normally do throughout my life, or what I've been doing, is Whakairo. Traditional Maori wood carving is something I've been doing since the age of 12, and I'm 34, turning 35 next month. Hope all is well. Yeah, Jackson, all is well, my bro. Just saving right now. Saving, my bro, and also saving for America next month. Just to make sure I got money for the Uber to get to the hotel. That's about it. But yeah, I think the main thing, the main thing that I've been focusing on lately is myself. In terms of like training and health. It's just become part of my everyday life now, pretty much. Yo! What's that? Taifi? Did I say that right? Thank you for the roses. Oh, and it was someone else. Let me scroll back. And Mafia. Oh, Riley. Sorry, Riley. No. And Mafia. Thank you very much to one Roik for 1992 for the Optimus Prime as well. Kia ora, my bro. Where are we here? Hey mate, how are you? I'm doing good. Thank you, Mafia. Thank you very, very much, my bro. What was that? Hey, Delirious, cheer, my brother. How are you? Al Butter, thank you very much, and the brother Delirious. Hope you're doing well, brother. Delirious. Yeah, so if you're gonna be at BlizzCon next month, I'll see you there. I will see you there. This will be my second BlizzCon, and may even be my last international trip as a streamer for a while, because my main focus is always to so the only reason I should say before I carry on is it's being paid for by Blizzard, hence the reason why I'm going. But it could be my last for a while. I remember when I didn't want to gift as much. Hey, how you been, Uzo? Thank you very much, Hiku. Kia ora. Hiku. You guys hurt my Springboks. I'll be honest, yo, Benham, thank you for the swan. Like, all is fair with banter, right? But I gotta say, like, the lippiness on both sides, on the All Blacks and the South Africa, not a fan. I don't really, I don't really vibe with belittling each other, I'll be honest. I love watching rugby, don't get me wrong. I mean, one of my favourite players is Sia Khaleesi. Outside of the All Blacks. But yeah, the mouthiness from both sides is a bit much, eh? It's a bit much. Harrison, thank you for the love, man. Let me know. Did you know what, my bro? What is that?
Anonymous tipped $15. Hope this helps toward one Uber trip in the States.
Boy,
Hope
you didn't.
you enjoy yourself.
Bro, you
Well,
could have
if
got some
Blizzard is
lollies
paying,
for.
I take it back, Kappa.
Bro, you could have given that to your daughter to get some lollies. If you don't know what lollies are, guys, to anyone outside of the country, candy, sweets. Ah, brother Spiven, bro, thank you, bro. Who knows, I might refund that so you can give it to your daughter. Morning, Ed. So I gotta ask, what are you working on? So we are carving a 21st key. So We're just doing the fully carved part first. We're just doing a few little touch-ups because it's all done. And thank you very much, Fred. And so the reason why we're touching up here is just so I don't have to come back to it. If you refund, I'll unsub. Oh, bro. I mean... insane, Daddy. I mean, you know, it's not actually bad for you. Thank you, bro. Hold up. Thank you very much, Scotty 2 Hottie, RCZ4 for the cats as well. And Kurt. Oi! Rolo! Thank you very much for the galaxy, bro. Thank you, brother. Damn, man, why are you carving this stale loaf of bread? I wish I could eat bread, but me plus those kind of carbs equals 3 slices of bread in the one. Rolo, thank you very much for the galaxy, my bro. Thank you, brother. Something that I want to do too, guys. I want to carve a gift for my carving tutor. As you all know, he passed away last month, and me and my family often go back to my in-laws quite a bit, and we pass, you know, the urupao, the graveyard where he lays. So I think I want to make him something and drop something off to him. Is it all good to us? We got this hoodie. Oh, bro, this hoodie is more color faded than probably the most faded person you know. This is a 100 Thieves hoodie that I got from Nadeshot. Yeah, Nadeshot and his mod Blackbeard actually gifted this to me. So it was this, a t-shirt. I could probably fit the t-shirt now, I'm skinny enough. And a hat. So I still have those today too. Because, yeah, they're sentimental to me, yeah. I'm not really out there trying to wear, you know, the latest gears when I've got this hoodie. Yeah, she's starting to rip at the seams and everything, but, yeah, bro, I love this hoodie, yeah. Even if I'm, you know, SKT T1 fan. Okay, to any of my followers who follow, if you're into League of Legends, did you enter that SKT card draw? How did anyone go? Really sunny? Oh, it's sunny, but it's cold. Yeah, cold as wind. Will make your nipples look like spearheads. That's how cold it is. Mine feel like that, but I'm not showing them. Yeah, so we're still in winter, but we're slowly transitioning into spring. Love you too, brother Crash. Hope you're doing good, my brother. Could cut class. In that case, I have no reason to stay. What was the best and the worst thing about living in New Zealand? The best thing? Oh, I don't know if I should say it though. I mean, gun violence ain't that common, I guess. The worst thing? Probably the housing economy, the living economy. Everything's like so expensive right now. That's what I would say the shit part about this country is, for sure. Hope you're okay, bro. Yeah, I'm good. I'm not getting sick, so, you know, I don't mind not having the flu through the winter. What's up, Barry? Big balls. All over the world. Oh, yeah, but still far. I ain't paying $19 for a block of butter. I'd rather just go buy the cow. Yeah, I'd definitely rather go buy the cow than buy the butter. But yeah, me and my kids getting into gardening so we can kind of grow our own food in a little portable garden. Thank you, brother Logs. Cheer my bro. During COVID, love your content, man. Thank you, brother. Best thing, butter chicken pie from Z. I'll be honest, never had it. Never had it. The only pie I've had from a Z station is just your normal steak and cheese. Steak and cheese, my bro. But I mentioned in a TikTok, in a reel, that I really like the BP chicken nuggets. Oh, bro, those are so good, eh? The southern style ones, bro, they are so good, bro. They are so good. Yeah, it's 100 Thieves, hoodie. Thank you for the heart. How do I say that name? Dion, sorry, and Axel Wolf as well. Remember, guys. Also, a little something else too. You know, after I finish my first voice acting opportunity, well, we got another one. Yeah, I got another one. And should I do the voice lines on stream? I'm wondering. You know. What do you reckon? So the concept is a camper and a ranger. So those are the two distinctive voices that I have to try and do. We love gardening here. My daughter has learned so much. Highly recommend. Yeah, bro. Yeah, definitely gotta get in on that, brother. A chicken nugget's still $1. Depends where you go. Yeah, so what the hell? BP chicken nugget. 52 bomber clock chicken nugget.
BP chicken nuggets tipped $10. We love you too, handsome man.
Who was that? Congrats on another opportunity. Yeah, bro, it's for a indie game. They pretty much said, oh, you know, we don't have money. I was like, bro, it's all good. The opportunity to do something else I love is the reward. So they're gonna, so once I've done all the lines, they're gonna give me codes to give away too. Like the one who pushed me, like fully pushed me into pursuing voice acting was the voice actor of Roadhog. I met him at the last BlizzCon. Oh, Sound, thank you for the gifties. I hope I said your name right. Are there ancient tools that were used in this craft back in the day? Yeah, stone chisels. So we only ever had one specific kind of stone chisel, and it was a flat. Yeah. It didn't really, so the car, or like Whakairo as a whole, was pretty up and down in terms of the style. And then, you know, Captain Dickhead turned up with his sicknesses, his pests, and better yet, the steel chisel, okay? And it only made our art form even more intricate. Yeah, and all the questionable things he did in our country. But yeah, this stream's not about him, so never mind him. Shout out to my kanaka Maori though. I'll say that much. Hey, from Denmark, kia ora Jürgen. Oh, Jorgen? I hope I said that right. Please correct me if I say your fella's names wrong, eh? It would be much appreciated. Hope you're doing good, Aribaha? Did I say that right? That's awesome. Oil-based stains leave such a... Yeah, bro. Like, for me personally, as, you know, an individual, I prefer oil-based stains as opposed to, you know, waxes. You know, you got your brio waxes, but even with the brio wax, I prefer to mix it with a little bit of terps. which basically kind of changes it into a liquid stain. So in that, oh, back to Earth. Thank you very much for the raid. Hope you had a wonderful stream. Kia ora and hello once again. Nice to see you. Welcome on through, guys. My name is Brox. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver and I'm doing a 21st key for my nephew. I will most likely be paid with a thank you and a hug. Hashtag family jobs. I haven't seen him in so long. How are you, Patrick? So that's all we've done so far. All of that. Got a raid and run? You are totally fine. And our speaker is flat. Okay, well, that didn't last long. We have been nerfed. We have been nerfed. Thank you very much, Kenny, and is it Meister? Did I say that right? Every time I see the word Meister, it reminds me of Meister Seymour from FF10. Oh, this is gorgeous. And BlizzCon 2, fellow WoW. Yeah, yeah. Well, you play WoW as well? I'll be honest, I've been off WoW for a bit. But I recently topped up. And I went straight to Classic. So my time has been consumed, but I have been playing retail. I normally play Warrior. But this time around, I kind of just wanted to play something else, just to keep the game fresh. Just FYI too, this camera's being held by tape because I've lost a bit for the tripod. One moment. You want to know something, guys? It's been like that for about a week. I hope you haven't noticed. I mean a shaman, but I'm a alcoholic. Oh, ain't we all, eh? Ain't we all? We're all alcoholics when it comes to WoW. See, it's a lot has changed, eh? I'll be honest, not a fan of what happened to the siblings. I'm biased because I like them, and mainly because my friend Dave Greco designed Zul'Jaren as well. But in saying that, I like Zul'Jara too. I love her design, eh? Zul'Jara's design is amazing. I mean, I've been waiting for the Amani trolls for a long time, and then Blizzard blessed us with recolors. Thank you very much, Faye. Did I say that right? Thank you very much, Faye. Yeah, so hopefully we get the Amani actual model soon. Sooner rather than, you know, later. Oh my gosh. Sorry guys, let me just go and get the sellotape. Sorry. Okay, I found the sellotape. One moment. This requires a bit of DIY. What do you think of the game yesterday? Yesterday it was nice to see the Kiwis back on top. Oh, I didn't watch it, eh? Like the rugby? I'll be honest, bro. I'd rather sleep. But yeah, I did see some of the highlights. I mentioned earlier that one thing I don't like, bro, is just all the shit talking, eh? Like belittling each other. I think that's kind of trashed, in my opinion. Sorry for the DIY, guys. Yeah, I'm not a fan of that. Yeah, I lost a bit to my tripod. Well, it wasn't me. It was people that like touching my stuff. I'll say that much. What game are you talking about? Rugby, my bro, rugby. Yeah, little humans, they like touching my stuff. Thank you, Mr. Sheik, for the GGs. Letting me follow, going to leave a comment. All good, all good, you're all good. Yeah, that's what I don't like, bro. That's why I was like, yeah, cool, the All Blacks won, but far out. These are assholes. But yeah, that's one thing I didn't like about it. And then yeah, Warriors won on the weekend as well. W Warriors, and they're at the top of the table. Top of the table. Isa, thank you very much for the aroha. What's this project for so far? I haven't seen it in a minute. So this is for my nephew's birthday. He turns 21 next month. He's turning 21 next month, and my cousin, or his dad, asked me to do a key for him. So I was like, oh, yeah, all good. Didn't talk about money or anything, because I feel, majority of the time family jobs are just a thank you. That's why I don't do 21st keys. But this time it's a bit different, because my cousin who asked me actually looked after me when I was a baby, when my mum had to study. So I was like, yeah, all good, I'll do it. Because I did his eldest daughter's key too. The only problem I had with this timber, it's just the amount of nails that was in it. Yeah, if nails and timber were a person and they had a kid, would have been this. And unfortunately, we hit 6 of them. Does it have a special meaning? So, the mold itself is actually from here. And my cousin, so in our culture we have many different tribal styles. And so, that's one of the main reasons why I use this one. Yeah, we have many different tribes in our country, but not all of them carve the same. And so we have these things called tribal styles, as I mentioned. And I just use the most straightforward one from here for my nephew's key. In a sense, it's not like a guardian or anything. It's just gonna be a decorative key, but with me, I like to kind of do the style depending on who the individual is, like make sure it's like the tribal style that they come from. Hence the reason why I chose to do it in this way, I should say. But yeah, I won't be going to the birthday. I told him just let the nephew present it. Yeah, I won't be going at all. Okay, just checking over everything again. Yeah, just little stuff now, little stuff that I may have overlooked. And then we can carry on. Where are we? Thank you very much, COD Guy, for the GGs. Did you play COD over the weekend, my bro? I got a code for it, but I didn't want to. You grew up playing second row. Oh, chill, my bro. Yeah, I'm not really much of a COD player, so I just stuck to Overwatch. But yeah, I did get invited. I was watching one of the bros play the beta, and oh, he had a very vocal team. In a bad way, but you know, capturing COD as in its essence, I guess. There we go. Massive respect for putting this much effort into a piece. The young lad has no clue how lucky he is. Oh yeah, the little shit does not. I'll say that much. Thank you very much for the rose, my bro. Yeah, he's I don't even know, eh? Yeah. But yeah, I gotta say one thing about my nephew, he's a bit of a clueless guy. Bit of a clueless fella. Sometimes he give me a bit of a stony baloney too. I always see him and I'm like, bro, do something here. Don't do that. But he was like that one nephew that would always get into accidents. Like riding a horse, next thing you know, break the arm. That was always him. All the bloody time. I need to figure out what I'm going to train today too, guys. I don't really like training the same body part as everyone else because all the machines are taken. Yo, Big, thank you very much for the roses, my bro. Was that roses? Big Jack, thank you very much. That was my Kulo's nickname. And J Bro for the roses as well. Yeah, that was my grandfather's nickname too. He had a wooden leg and he used to freak us out all the time. Every time we saw him, he'd unclip it off his leg and it'd freak us out. He was that kind of grandfather. And he knew too. He knew it would work every time. And I guess I've kind of adopted that mentality as well. Not no leg, but just traumatizing my nieces and nephews. Jaden, what's up, my bro? Thank you for the roses. And hello to Lukey. How you doing, brother? Tends to get them to use another one pretty quick. Yeah, one of the trainers at the gym I go to, or one of the workers, so I finished gym one day and I was walking out and he goes, "You're the carver, eh? Yo, brother Chris and J Bro. Thank you very much for the roses, my bros. Thank you, my bros. Gotta go pick up the bro. Be back later. I read BBL as you're going to get a BBL? My bad, bro, my bad. What was it? Oh yeah, the gym, the bro at the gym. Yeah, so he's an artist that follows me as well, and followed him on Insta and told him, hey, if you want to train, bro, that's us. He was painting a mural over the weekend, which was pretty cool. I hope he posted on his Instagram so I can share it. Wait, it's you. Hello, good sir. Thank you very much to the guy. I can't see your name with the heart puff. Thank you, my bro. You get recognized at IRL? Yeah, now and again, my bro. Now and again. But I'll be honest, bro. I don't really go anywhere. Hey, I don't really go anywhere other than, you know, to pick my kids up from school and to the gym. And, you know, to my mum's as well when I want to go and see her. So I don't normally stream carving on Wednesdays now because my mum needs to go shopping every Wednesday. Hence the reason why carving streams on Wednesdays have been MIA. Just for that specific reason, just helping her out. Because she'll look after the kids sometimes, so, and she's got no car, so I've got to help my mum out. Sent a treasure clover. Oh, thank you for the treasure clover, good sir. You're a genuine legend. Trying to be my bro. I think one of the things I always try and do is try and be a good example. And if anyone can take, you know, even a smidgen from what I do away for them and it helps them, then bro, all good. That's a W. That's a W right there. That's always going to be one thing for me personally. Yeah, but I'm curious, what are the most common car brands over there? Mitsubishi, Toyota, everyone, you know, Toyota, Hilux, or trucks in general are quite big here. Thank you, John, for the rose, and Sairuzi for the heart as well. Yeah, like there's a few like JDMs here. Holden and Ford are big here, but I'll be honest, I'm not really big on Holden and Ford, eh? Yeah, Toyota's quite big here, my bro. It always has been for years. But me personally, if I was to ever own a Toyota, like a truck, I'd rather have one of the older ones, eh? Those older models are way more reliable, in my opinion, than these newer trucks. Yeah, I like the older trucks from Toyota. These new ones are rubbish. That's just my opinion, but yeah. I feel like there's some truth in it though. Been a long time, Chief. Kia ora. You carve greenstone? No, but it is something I would like to get into in the future. That will not become a reality until, one, we move and rent a new house that has, you know, a shed and multiple rooms to facilitate our family, or we buy a house. That's probably the main thing. But yeah, at some point I would like to get into it. Not sure when there will be, my brother, but yes, it is something that I want to do in my future. Like even with streaming as a whole, I've been thinking about this long and hard, and I do really, really, really want to branch out and try new things, you know. Long time no see, brother. How are you, and what have you been up to lately? Cheer, my bro. Lately, well, what have I been up to lately that you might have missed? I done some voice acting for a game, Debauchery and Magic, which you can all wishlist on Steam right now. I've been focusing a lot on my health, and I've lost a lot of weight. Lost a lot of weight, my bro. October last year, bro, I had to hold my breath and tie my laces. I don't have to do that anymore. What else have we been up to? Oh, I'm going to BlizzCon next month, my bro. Flying over to America. Yo, what's up, Bodycount? How you, brother? Yeah, those are probably the things that I've been up to with my life at the moment, and just Yeah, I'd say that's been the biggest one for me, is health. Dare I say it, I will say this, I may have chosen to go to the gym for 3 hours over streaming one on a couple occasions of the day. My bad. But I've genuinely been enjoying it. Found the formula that works for me. I'm not on any peptides or anything. I'm just on a deficit. Because I keep getting asked, are you on peptides? Or like Retta? Is it? Retta tree tide? Whatever that is. And I always say the closest thing I will get to Ret is playing Ret Paladin on WoW. Yo, bot account, thank you for the 500 kicks, my bro. Thank you, brother. Yeah, I don't do any of that stuff, just eating and moving and training. Thank you, Gabriel and Lawrence and Marvin. Che. Yeah, no Redder for me. Like, you know, each to their own. If people are using it, then by all means, you know, go hard if it works for you. Too much plastic with these newer ones? Actual, bro. Actual. My grandmother bought a Toyota Surf back in the day. And bro, that truck lasted us for ages. The only thing that made it stop working was my dumbass uncle being a dumbass drunk, and then unfortunately he flipped it. Yo, Johnny! Thank you for the shamrocks, my bro. Kuya, what's up, Buzo? Kia ora, my bro. Happy to see you again, Uso. Hope you're doing good, my brother. Hope you're doing good. Okay, do we need to do anything over here? Nope. Nope. Hope you're doing good, my brother. I have an uncle like that too. Yeah, bro. I'll be honest. Morena Ewa. Yeah, I'll be honest. My uncle, he's I don't mind saying this. He's legit drinking himself to the gravy. Cause like that's all he does is just drinks. And he has like grandkids and everything, and we're like, bro, you're a grandfather now, you're gonna sort your life out or what? And his response is, not my kids. I was like, bro, that's why I think you're a loser. Yeah, unfortunately, you just can't get out of that habit. Because, I always see him and he's always, you know, heavily drunk or mildly drunk all the time. Yeah, it's very unfortunate that that's him. Lawrence, thank you very much. And Colbuzz, did I say that right? Yeah, very unfortunate that, you know, someone like that who's got all the education that my grandfather had and gave it to him, and he chose the bottle over preserving it. Because my mum thought about, you know, taking him in because he stays in our homestead in our hometown. And it's all of 2 rooms, right? 2 rooms and a living room and the kitchen in the middle. It's like a little bitch. And yeah, to me it's not like the way he's living, it's not healthy. But, you know, what can you do for someone that doesn't want to change? Thank you, Colbus. Not venting, by the way, just being honest. Just being honest. Alrighty. Let me just show TikTok real quick, guys. There we go. So we just finished all that. Simple wares, 21st key. Nothing, you know, too crazy. We still gotta clean all the back out too. There we go. Thank you, bot account. Cheers, my bro. So we gotta just hit this from different angle now. And then we can move on. I love you and your content. It makes me smile. As long as you're smiling, my friend, and not frowning. You wanna know why? Wrinkles. That's how they start. And no one want the wrinkles. Where are we? Beautiful. Thank you, brother Johnny. Cheers, my brother. I might just go and get the iPad, eh, so we can keep listening to the Skyrim. Sorry about this, guys, but yeah, I gotta leave TikTok right there to get the Wi-Fi. One moment. I'm gonna go and get the iPad so we still got ambience in the background. I just gotta stick this in the vehicle so it reaches the Wi-Fi. There we go. What in a nasty. Thank you once again, brother bot. Appreciate you, my brother. Where are we? Oh, here. Oh my dry. That timber is very dry over there. Do I need to do anything here? Also, I need to learn how to play Hazard on Overwatch 2 because he's from Scotland and I didn't realise that he was. And as someone who is learning his Scottish heritage, it only makes sense that I play Hazard too. Hello, I found you on Insta. Hey, Doyen. What kind of wood are you working with? So this is Cody, my bro. Kauri. Cody, brother. Similar to when Chicken Joe goes, Cody! But spelt different. Pretty much. I'm out in the wild. What's up, Bing? My man. I don't know why, but whew, I'm getting cold. Thank you very much, Mer, for the good job. Cheers, my bro. Yo, Tuka! Looking forward to meeting you at BlizzCon, bro. You're on Friday? I believe so, yeah. So I leave here on the 9th, I think. Yeah, on the 9th. NZ time, so I'm a day ahead, so yeah, I think I leave on the 9th. We haven't even got our itinerary yet. Yeah, I don't know, I don't want to be that guy and book for the dinner, so I'll just maybe wait till the con itself, because everything's still a bit unclear for me at the moment. Hey, it's gonna be fun, bro. Yeah, so I don't know, like, airport-wise what's gonna happen. I think we're getting picked up. I remember last BlizzCon we were getting picked up, but my driver couldn't find me. Thankful for Skype though, from Echo. He knew who I was and he goes, come with us. We're staying at the Sheraton as well. So that's where I'm staying if you're there, at the Sheraton. Thank goodness it's next door. Thank you very much, brother Johnny. How are you, Beyond? Hope you're doing good, my bro. Yeah. So, yeah, not sure what's gonna happen. But you're keen to meet everybody. Have a group photo if that becomes a thing. I doubt Soda's coming. He's a bit of a hermit, eh? Sorry if that gets clipped and he sees it. I would assume he'd be playing No Pixel, because I think it drops at the time I'm coming over. Yeah, I won't be able to get into the server until I come back from BlizzCon. He will sadly only for the con day. He will go sadly. Oh, true, so he'll be there. Yeah, I won't be able to get into the server until we get back from America. Hopefully I can bump into him. And just say, you know, thanks for the invite to OnlyFans. Can give him a thank you finally. That would be nice. What are you making? We are currently carving a 21st key for my nephew. We've kind of finished all the big stuff. Like all the stuff that needed my attention, that's all said and done. Finished all that. And well, all I need to do now is the key section. Obviously I'm gonna stop doing this key when I have to carve his name on for privacy reasons. Don't want to be, you know, doxing my own nephew. So yeah, when it comes to me carving the name on, then I'll stop doing it. I'll stop showing it on stream anyway. Morning, Chef. How long has this project been? I don't know. I don't know, my bro, but yeah, it didn't take long. The only reason why we're still on is because I just had some other stuff to do outside of the stream, so I haven't been able to stream it. But yeah, what do you reckon to me doing some of these voice lines on stream for this next project? Let me know. So if you didn't know, I got another voice acting opportunity. I finished one, and that game drops in, I think it drops in December. Hey, Delio! Thank you very much for the raid, Delio. Hope the progress was well today. Hope the stream was well too. If you haven't already, please go through and follow Delio Mac on Twitch. He is a wood carver as well. His work is very, very fine too. Much more finer than mine. So Biggie, how you doing, brother? Can you build a Q stick? A Q stick? What's that? Thank you for the baby hippo. Morning, Battle Tanker. Cheer him up, bro. Did you do community raid on Friday? I've come back to WoW, my bro, but playing a different class now, just to keep it fresh. Sorry guys, just cleaning up the walls on these numbers. I was sleeping there the most of that day. Oh, you're still sick, my bro. I continued working on the ethic style carving, the keeper of the forest. Oh yeah, yeah. Made out of linden wood. Chew. Q stick for Billard. I've never heard of one of those, eh? No, it's got a wallop with a migraine. Oh yeah, yeah. Shit, my bro. Yeah, just leveling one of my other characters, my bro. He's gonna be my main for a bit. Jamming a shaman this time around. And then some of my mates invited me to go and jam on the old classic as well. So just jumped on there and catching up with them. It's been fun. It's been fun. Where are we? A pool cue. Oh yeah, yeah. Pool cue. I don't know. Maybe, I guess. So what we're gonna do with this section here. So once we've cleaned this up, the plan is to border this, just this section there, and then bevel the numbers too. So that's what we're gonna do. 125 hours on the carving. I probably still have like 50 hours left. Far out. That's some mahi right there, some work. Yeah, I've been catching glimpses of it when I can jump in. Bro, this internet, bro. Hi I should say this iPad. Really, I think my iPad is dying on me, eh? If I'm being completely honest. Just took one kid to throw it and then bzzz. And it's so expensive just to get the screen changed. And boy, oh boy, I don't want to pay for that. Hey, much love, Stein. Cheers, my bro. How are you, Big Stein? So yeah, once we kind of sort out the key section as a whole, then we'll take these angles off there just to get that sharp end. The reason why I'm keeping it flat is so we can sit it in the vise pretty much. Thank you for the heart, Mies, Suho, did I say that right? Keep up the great work. I'll do my best, my brother. I will do my best, my bro. After this, then after this stream, then I'm gonna go to the gym and carve myself. Sculpting in another way, guys. Yeah, I was low key, not low key, high key. I was low key admiring the gains because they were coming through the shirt. I was like, ooh, okay. I'm like, there it is, there it is. Yeah, I was buzzing when I saw that. I've never seen that before myself, that's why. It's never been a thing. Hello from Denmark. Hello, brother. Yo, Modi. Did I say that right? Thank you for the roses. And also one James Brennan. Cheers, my bros. Hello from the UK. Hello, brother. How are you? Thank you once again, brother James. Hear me. Cheers, my bro. Okay. What we need to do... I'm wondering if I just get the orbit away and just touch that all up. Save some time and use the orbital. I might just do that, eh? Thank you very much. Oh, how do I say that name? Tafir. Oh, you have to teach me how to say that name, bro. Thank you for the gifties, bro. Brother Charlie bit me. Thank you very much for the roses too. Yeah, so yeah, it's sunny today, but there's still, you know, winter's bite is still on the wind. So I still kind of gotta look after myself. Okay, yeah, maybe I will get the orbit away. Maybe. It would save time. Maybe I will, eh? Just to touch it up. Because the majority of it's done. It's like little 1%ers that I have to do now. And yeah, I would try and stain it on stream, but I don't think I will, guys. Just to protect my nephew's identity, that's all. Okay, yeah, I'm going to get the orbital and then we'll touch it up, eh? So we'll just do along here. We'll do along here. Then we'll do on the top here, and that's it. Ooh, hold on. What's going on over here? Oh, bro, I'd love to have one of your carvings in Australia. Love your work. Oh, kia ora, bro. What part of Australia are you in? Australia. Are you the man? Just trying to be a good example, my bro. Thank you for the roses, full stop. Try it, my bro. Oh, you're in Sydney. Shoulder. How long you been in Sydney for? I went to Sydney, my bro, for first time. Hui, it's busy over there, eh? It is busy over there, my bro. Sorry, just cleaning up. I know you can't see what I'm up to, but it's just little things. Where are we? Honestly, best fella out there. Just trying to do my best. What's up, Rai? Thank you for the manamoa as well. Okay. Oh my gosh. Does anyone rock what's that shoe called? Hookers? Are they really wide feet friendly? Those shoes. Because I'm currently looking for some walking or some shoes, just because I'm going to be doing a lot of walking at BlizzCon. And I like Essex, but I don't know what Essex shoes to go for. She's a bit of a hard one. And someone recommended Hooker as well. The bird shoe one. Do you wear Crocs? Yeah, I have worn Crocs to Las Vegas and BlizzCon. But I'm going to be wearing shoes this time. The actual Las Vegas. Everyone was staring at me too, and I was like, meh, and more. Under Armour is a good one. Get the Nimbus shoes. Okay, I better keep that one in mind. I might go and have a look sometime this week for some shoes. Oh, sorry. There you go, look for some Nimbus shoes. I should really just try them on, eh? That'd probably be the best thing to do. Yeah, I like Essex, eh? There you go. Okay, I'm just gonna get the orbital, okay? I'm gonna touch up over here. I was dancing all alone, watching people get it on with each other. First time I've used the machine on this. And I'm just doing it to save time, pretty much. Sorry if it gets loud. Okay, here we go. gifted. Thank you very much to one Helio, Keegan, and Luca as well. Thank you very much, guys. Yeah, try and not gift, I might miss it. But thank you very much for the love as well. And Aman, man, did I say that right? And Mark as well. Hope everyone is all good with me doing this while they wait. Hope you guys do not mind. Okay, getting back to it now. Thank you very much. Much better, much better. How we doing, guys? There's one more side I'm gonna do. The top side, I'm still on the fence about doing the back of it, because there's a nail that's protruding out of the back, and I'll be honest, I was just thinking about leaving it how it is. Yeah, she be protruding out the back, I'll tell you that much. She'd be protruding quite bad. Here we go. Solid, solid. How are we doing, guys? Sorry about that. Yeah, I don't know if I should do the backy. I'll show you. Show you what I mean. So, hey, thank you very much, Arda. I think this one is better. Thank you very. Oh, your streak. Thank you, my bro. So we just clean up all of that. But I'm wondering if we do the back too. What do you reckon? Should we touch up the back with the orbital as well? Or leave it as is? Nah, actually I might touch it up, eh? So that's all we gotta clean up now. So it still needs to be looked at. Crack up. There's 3 people on the road that are trying to help each other reverse into a driveway. Mask up for the family. Oh, it's windy, bro, so it's not even touching me. It's all good. Yeah, I know. Should I? I don't know. Because I feel like there might still be some doozies in there. Like, there's still one nail that I can visibly see. But I don't know if I want to deal with that, you know? I think we just leave the back as is for now. And then we'll come back to it later. Here we go. Plug that back in. There we go. Shows the contrast. Yeah. How padu it was. To how clean it is now. So with, you know, the orbital and stuff, something we got to do now. Let's just redo those edges. Thank you for the box ticky. Ooh. Nanya, did I say that right? Thank you. None your business. Oh no, I don't have a bloody pencil. I mean, they're pretty straight, so it's all good. And the wife doesn't want to hear the sand anymore. Yeah, probably, my bro, you're probably right about that. Okay. Thank you, Adam John. Kia ora, Adam. Okay, let's clean up. It's not even in properly. Thank you, Adam. Cheers, my bro. How's YouTube doing? You's all good? Been trying to figure out some long form ideas to do, eh? But I think if I'm gonna do some long form carving videos for YouTube, I'm probably gonna have to not be live. I think it'll be easier if I'm like offline. Be too distracting? Yeah, bro. One thing I wish I could do with my free time is just these days is just carve anyway. But it's a bit hard to when as a parent, I should say. You don't really get free time. Free time is a myth as a parent. Yeah, free time is very much a myth. You don't have an editor? Yeah, but the reason why I haven't really done any long form YouTube videos is because it's just all the same, eh? Time lapses. Time lapse this, time lapse that. But if I want to do a time lapse, I want to do it when I'm not talking, if that makes sense. Just so I can focus in, hit record and just go hard. Personally, I would love some long form content to learn from. I bet you could put a proper program together. Yeah, I think I might do, like, instead of streaming the designing stuff, I might just long form it, eh? Just a YouTube long form. That could be the play. Yeah, maybe I will do that instead of streaming the designing. Like doing a revision on the designs. I'll do a long form video on them, maybe. What in a Melly? Kia ora. Yo, what time is it for you? It is currently 10:30. 10:30, my bro. Yeah, so I can just talk about, you know, what I'm thinking, how I'm going to go about getting through it. Shit, yeah, I think that's the play. But then again, I'll have to have some offline days, eh? Where I'm not live. those are some of the things I worry about sometimes. Because you know, as a streamer, if you're not live, then yeah. What's one thing you want to build or repair this year? Oh, I don't want to repair anything. What I would like to build, more muscle mass on my frame. Yeah, probably that. Because training has been fun. And the definition is starting to peep through the clothes, through the fabric. So I'm like, ooh, okay. Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. Much love all the way from Nova Scotia. Nova Scotia. Okay. Kia ora, my bro. I'm just visualizing this cat's name. Okay. Well, in that case, all I have to do is the 21 and the bevel and the bevels, and this is done. But I gotta clean up these walls. Who doesn't? Wait, who doesn't what? What is the biggest thing you've ever built? The first carvings I ever did on Twitch. FS, thank you very much, and Adam as well. But if we're talking in a group sense, I was one of the many carvers that contributed towards the biggest Maori wood carving in the world, called Te Matatini, which is a whole front of a stage that is only taken out of storage every 2 years. And it will definitely outlive me. I need some followers, or post instead of big. Start posting your content. Don't go into people's lives and ask for them. Feels much better when you do it yourself. Man, I remember seeing your work like 3, 4, 5 years ago, and it made me, because the designs were so awesome. Oh, nice, my bro. Hey, you know it's still there if it's something you want to get, eh? Hey, Taylor, watching you from England. Kia ora. What's the time in England? It'll be late, eh? Like really late. Watching from Saudi Arabia. Kia ora. Hope everything is well over there. I'll probably never make it there one day, but yeah, hope everything's well over there. What happened? Do you sell your carvings? I do, brother, I do. I actually have to check my emails too. Someone from Aussie is buying one, or wants to buy one. I've got to take some photos and everything. Take some photos and send them through. Sorry, just tending to this end grain. End grain is disgusting. It is disgusting. I could fall asleep to this. That's good, man. As long as it's in the comfort of your bed and not in a vehicle. Bro, there be some that have said that and they're like, oh, I'm driving. I'm like, oh, say that. Say that while driving. Where are you based? Rotorua. I stay in Rotorua, my bro. My 9-year-old says this is sick. Oh, che. Nah, mihi. Hope you and your tamaiti are having a good day. Have you ever, or would you ever do a collab with different master carvers? They don't need a collab with me, bro. They're well established. I'd like to, you know, learn under them. Even if it's for a week. The likes of, you know, Lionel Grant, who's here. Gordon. Yeah, they're pretty up there. And they all went through the same school as me, the same carving school as me. In previous years as well. Yeah, they're pretty up there. If I could learn under one, probably be Lionel. Yeah, Lionel. Thank you very much, Jake, for the finger heart things. Cheers, my bro. How much would a complete piece be? It depends, eh? Not every piece is going to cost the same, if that makes sense. Damn, sounds like a bike run. Sounds pretty close to. Oh, cat fight. Oh, there's 3 of them. I think the ginger one's gonna win because it's bigger. Intrusive Thoughts grabs hose and just hoses the 3 of them. What are you doing? Ew. Hey! Trying to get sticky. Oh, there's even more ginger cat that's turned up. I've never seen 3 ginger cats at once, eh? Wonder what that means. Make a wish. To do more art. Oh, Kapai, bro. Yeah. Smash it, bro. Go hard. Go hard, my bro. Thank you very much, Feel Rai, for the Optimus Prime. Kia ora. Thank you to all those that have subbed today on Twitch as well. And also to the bro bot account for gifting 100 kicks too. To all those that are gifting on TikTok as well. Thank you very much for the aroha today. On a Monday. There isn't really much left to do here. So I'm just checking this nose. Making sure there's no wood tags. Ka pai. What's up, Reacher? How you doing, brother? Brilliant work as always. Thank you very much, Tech Tourist, for the 9 months. Happy sub baby day, my bro. Thank you very much for the 9 months, brother. Holy, it's a bloody long time. Thank you very much, my bro. And we are, where are we over here? Is that an AEG? Yeah. It's one from, so you can get them from Bunnings and Mitre 10 Mega, I believe. They're good and compact if you don't have a shed with a workbench, I guess. Nice compact kind of. Hold up. Okay, there we go. Much better. Doing grand, got work in 5 hours, but can't sleep. Oi! My man, bro, you gotta get some sleep in, my bro. Hold up, guys. Just grabbing something. You know that Phillips screwdriver clip I posted? It got 1 million views on Instagram. I was like, what the hell? I even had one angry guy goes, Phillips screwdrivers are not good for tradies. I was like, oh brother, it's just a clip. Pull your undies out of your bum, brother. It's not that deep. Yeah, I had the bloody tradie police in there. It was pretty funny though. Yeah, I'm surprised that it received that much views, eh? Straight up. Thank you very much, Jake, for the corgi. Kia ora, my bro. Thank you, Hazza, for the heart as well. And also, is that Eric? With the roses too. And Julian as well. Sorry, I've got to have a proper look at these different font names, eh? Some of you got the flash font names and I can't keep up. Hold on, guys. Can't wait for the warmer weather, man, so I can take my kids hiking. There we go. One moment. Add some more. There we go. Where are we? Is this the OG that was trying to... What's up, Moon Emoji? Hey, Parker, thank you very much for the roses as well. How do we get in contact with you? broxcarver@gmail.com. Keep in mind, I may not have stuff all the time, okay? Yeah, there may be moments where I have legit no carvings. Hold on, I'm just getting this pencil. Here we go. Girl, I've been watching you. Our speakers should be charged by now, and we can bring the music back. Bevel, bevel, bevel. There we go. You got your carving kit? Oh, nice, my bro. Nice, nice. Now, all you need to do now is just go hard. Also, you know, plan ahead too. Bob Hanson, thank you very much. And 43. And Eli, thank you very much for the roses, my bros. Doing the back, guys, so we don't have to worry about it. Here in my mind. Kia ora, yeah, still living in Rotorua. Still here. Not sure for how long, but yeah, still here. Roses are red and violets are blue. Come on, girl, run it through. Did you see that guy that leaked the GTA 6 stuff was all shit? I knew he was lying, bro. That shit looked AI as hell. Yeah, he was all shit about all the stuff, he was all shit about all the stuff he posted, that leak guy. One thing that's crazy though is a lot of stuff I see on Facebook is AI. And what makes it funny is people actually fall for it too. Which I find kind of crazy. Where are we? Thank you very much, Smithy. Jeremiah Ed, morning, my bro. How are you? 5 in the morning, just started my day, now watching the stream. Peak low cortisol. Yeah, what's cortisol? What's that all about? Is that not stressed? Yo, Reacher, thank you for the brand new tier 1, my bro. Yeah, I don't know what cortisol is. Is that like low stress? Oh, okay. True. I see. Thank you very much, J Duck, and is it Zwiz as well? And J Duck again. So low cortisol is like low stress. Oh. Like I was getting bombarded that I was like, oh, you're so low cortisol. I was like, what in the Generation Z are these little shits on about? Like every time I was like, what the hell does that mean? What? Is there anything you want to go back to and redo in life? I would like to fracture the bone section of this person's face that ran my sister over back in the 90s. If that helped. Yeah. Swap places. Bring my sister back to life, I guess. With the guy that was in the car. If I'm being honest. Oh, cat fight! Must be heat season. I'm good, bro. Waiting for my first box of OP17. Oi. So those have been rolled out as of today. Bro, been some crazy hits over the weekend, on OP17. Yeah, I might go to HobbyCon in Tauranga at the end of the month. I might just go for a jack. Just film a bit of a YouTube video. And go and check out all the cards. Thank you very much. Is it Ryan? Is that what I can see? Ryan G. Thank you very much for the manawa, my bro. Some of them rolled out for pre-release, but most will be rolled out on Friday. Oh, yeah. Yeah, there's a card show close to me in Tauranga at the end of the month. So I'm contemplating going. I just want to go to see how overpriced One Piece is IRL. I think that's one of the reasons why I want to go. Is just to see like how expensive they really are for my own eyes. Oh, it just got delivered? Oh, okay. See you later, my bro. Have a good day. Have a good day, my bro, and good luck on your OP17. The bro's One Piece cards just turned up. Yeah. Good luck, my bro. In the words of Hunger Games, may the odds be always in your favor. Exciting. Going to a museum, super educational. Oh, Te Puia? Yeah, that's where I learned. Oh, I went to upskill, really. Bro, I get copyright infringement notifications all the time for that video too. Like it's some random like Japanese YouTube channel, but they've cut out all the like sections with my face, and they try and say it's them, but the dead giveaway is when people subscribe and it shows the old GIFs I used to use for my sub alerts, because it used to be Sour Fang, right? From what is it? From World of Warcraft. Started making a feed, I'll have to open it later. Fair enough, my bro. This piece is looking nice. Hey, thank you, my bro. Almost done, eh? Almost done. I'll probably finish it offline because, you know, I don't want to show my nephew's name. Don't want to be doing that. You do not want to be doing that to the nephew's name, so yeah, I'm probably gonna have to I don't know, this might be the last time you see this key. Yeah, we'll make it that, eh? This is the last time you're gonna see this key on the stream. And I'll do the rest of it offline. Because yeah, I don't want to show my nephew's name while I'm doing it. You still playing well? Yeah, I've just gotten back into it. Just gotten back into it, my bro, and it's been fun. Jamming some retail, and then some of the bros from Classic. So you come jam with us in his guild, and I went, oh yeah, all good. Good opportunity to catch up with the bros, and I could not say no. So yeah, I'm back on that too. Yeah, this will be the last day you see this key, guys. I'll call it here, eh? Well, this 21st key. One moment, just gotta go and get my 15 almonds. It's time for my 15 almonds, guys. Okay. Alright, let me munch my 15 almonds. Let me smash back my 15 almonds, guys, and hey, motherfuckers ate some. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Fucking bastards. Someone hit some of my arms. Odd Angles, thank you very much for the raid. Welcome on through, kia ora. My name is Brox, I am a traditional Maori woodcarver. And we are currently doing a 21st key for my nephew. Hope you're doing well. Shit, should I just leave it square, chat? I may just, eh? What do you reckon? Happy birthday, nephew. You're having a square one. I believe you're on TikTok too. Hello, brother. How are you? Love from Texas. Kia ora, my bro. Hope all is well in Texas. Should I? Yeah, bugger it. You can have a square one. Yeah, you can have a square one. Watching from the Philippines, kia ora. Thank you for the cent pop. How was your stream, Odd Angles? Yeah, he's having a square one. All good. I don't mind saying that. Yeah, I'm still live on Purple, my bro. I'm on live on Purple, Red, Green, and TikTok. I'll be honest, I've been saying the names of the orgs quite a lot, eh? Or the other streaming services, I should say. One moment. Watch you on the Purple app. Check crew. Kia ora, my bro. Yeah, I'm still live there. But, you know, whatever your preference is, that's all good. There's no right or wrong answer. Cheers, bot account. Thank you, brother. Sure for holding it down on kick too, my bro. Where are we? Okay. Yeah, last minute decision. Just decided my nephew could have a square key. And saying that too, I just like the length of it, eh? Keeps it long. I can never remember. I like playing the Horde, mainly because I grew up with a lot of characters on Warcraft 3. That's why I prefer the Horde more, pretty much. I've sent you an email. All good, bro. Why can't I gift you, brother? I don't know. Oh, what? I just, yeah. Yeah, people always say, what should I do with my money? I was like, I don't know. Buy a dildo and shove it up your backside maybe and see how that feels. I never get used to people saying, you know, what should I do with my money? I was like, it's your money, you figure that out. Cheers, Timmy. Cheers, my bro. How was raid last night? Did you get any gear? Yeah, I never know what to say, you know? I don't know what people expect me to say. Like, oh, gift to me then. I'm just gonna go, I don't know. What do you want to do? Go and buy some shopping. No, I got a 99% of what I needed from high. Oh, choo, yeah, yeah. But it was a good raid, choo. Man, it's been a long time since I've done any of those raids, eh? I was just trying to get, what up? I was just trying to get to level 59 last night. Far out, it's hard, eh? With a boosted. Can't imagine what it's like on Hunter when they close the gap. But I was just jumping between my Shaman and my Hunter. I still want to play my Hunter too. Were you saying that Wrath was coming out? Thank you very much, Kim, for the soccer ball, and Todd as well. Kia ora, bro. And Fire, I'll say that much. Classic game back to Wrath on the anniversary realms, I think. It's already been and gone, eh? Is Wrath happening again, my bro? On the anniversary realms? Empowered, you can only get it from small... Yeah, from the fishing, eh? Yeah, I saw that. Looking like it's coming in with the constant leaks. Oh, yeah. I'll be honest, I did not play much of Wrath. What a time for my computer to die. Unlucky, my bro. Yeah, I mean, you're not missing much, brother. This is what, like this third release of Wrath? Or was it fourth? The third, oh my gosh. Fourth is for private service. Thank you very much, Josh, for the heart, my bro. I may have to finish up the TikTok stream very soon because my phone's getting flat. My phone is getting flat. I stopped playing in Mist. Yeah, with all the classic stuff, bro, it stopped feeling like classic after Wrath. Or during Wrath for me, because I barely had the time to play Wrath. I've actually never done a full playthrough of Wrath of the Lich King. Like, never. Well, that's why I didn't make another warrior, because I didn't want to. Yeah. Tell that cat, oh, it's... Looks like it's trying to get its dick wet. But the other cat's not having it. Maybe the other ginger cat just don't like sleeping with other ginger cats, maybe. I don't know. Thank you very much for the cowboy hat, my bro. How's it going, man? All is well, my friend. All is well. Oh, real. But yeah, I'm gonna try and level up the shaman, and then in between, when I want to break from shaman, I'll probably just jam my hunter. It should be level 60 by the time Wrath comes around. Yeah, by the time Wrath of the Lich King comes around, it should be level 60. From Aotearoa, New Zealand. Okay. All that's left to do now is the name. The name is all that's left. Shadowlands was in 2019. Oh, bro. Yo, Bobbin, thank you very much as well. And PG, did I say that right? I might just orbit all these other sides too to save time. Hope Cowboys beat Tigers this weekend. They beating Roosters got me on your toes. Yeah, bro. Everyone was thanking the Tigers over here this morning. Would you rather learn how to front flip or back flip? Oh, none. I'm 34. Those days are over. I'm learning how to snatch and clean now. Thank you very much, Charlie, Mitchell, and Mitchell again. So if you said anything, all I heard was, bro, I just got the mega ads, the 3-minute hold. True. Cheer for watching them, my bro. It helps. It helps, my bro. It helps. I was just talking about how I've actually Never done a playthrough of Wrath, like ever. Yeah, I've actually never done a full playthrough of Wrath of the Lich King. Yeah, I was so I'll probably like while I'm leveling my shaman, I might jump on my hunter for a little bit of a rest too. As I was saying, my hunter should be level 60 by the time Wrath is released. But yeah, it's been fun. It's been fun jamming again. Really need to do anything else to it, eh? All we need to do now is the name. The name. Alright, TikTok, I am going to have to finish our TikTok stream. My phone is about to turn off. So thank you very much for tuning in. Thank you very much for tuning in to all those on TikTok. Have a good day. If you want to carry on watching Twitch, Kick and YouTube, that's where we're going to be carrying on for the next 30 minutes. And then I'm going to finish, go have lunch and go train. Go and carve myself, okay? This Big Bro actually done on TikTok. But yeah, this is pretty much there. I just got to do the name. But there's some little nitty gritties that I'm going to do. So for now, TikTok, I got a love and leavies. Have a good one. Thank you very much for tuning in. And I will see you all tomorrow, TikTok. No. It's just saying bye to TikTok because my phone's flat. Because the phone is flat, that's all. See you later, TikTok. Take it easy. Alright, let me go and take this and put it on the charger, guys. BRB. Yeah, so I've got to hit some italic writing. That's what it's called, eh? Italic writing on here. Hit some italic writing on here. And then it's done. Stain them up. And say goodbye to this free job. How lucky of me. Alright. Should I design the tongue? No, we'll leave it as is so it doesn't get lost in the sauce. When I say that, I mean lost in the design. Okay? What else, my bro, this is clean as fuck. Yeah, cleaner than my undies right now. Hui! Went for a run in these bad boys this morning. Ooh! Talk about hui! What's the yarns behind this? Oh, bro, this so this is just my nephew's 21st key. Like, for me, I don't really like doing them because, you know, not traditional way. But reason why I chose this kind of mold is because he's from here. So the idea was to use, you know, local design to represent him. Not so much him as in the individual, but just something to tie to him. And yeah, that's about it for this, because it's majority of the 21st keys are just decorative, eh? Unless you get those rangitu haha people that ask for more than they can pay for. I've had some of those jobs. So this lady, she comes to me, and my koro, who was the master carver at the school we were at, he swerved her and put her on me. I was like, you bastard. She goes, oh cool, can you carve this for me? And I was like, I want a geyser, I want an eagle, I want these 2 sharks and a manoia. And I was like, holy heck. I said, what else do you want? The winning lotto numbers. She was saying that, and I could see my koro, he was laughing. I was like, you're a dickhead. And well, done all that, and she goes, oh, I've only got 300. And at that point I was just fed up with her shit. I was like, yeah, that's all good. In my head I was like, fuck off now. And then long story short, here's a bit of a filler episode for you. Later on down the line, that was my wife's auntie. Is my wife's auntie, I should say. So yeah, that was a bit of a filler episode I wasn't ready for. It's like, ooh, how's that your auntie? It's like, what you saying ooh out to who for? It's because she ripped me off. She's like, hey! But I was like, at that point I just wanted her to, politely I said this, fuck off. True story, true story. Yeah, I was not having it, man. I was like, yeah, gap it now. Those ones are the worst, guys. Oh, man. Those jobs are the worst. Okay. So yeah, his 21st ain't till next month. But the way I like to operate as a person, as a carver as well, I'd like to get it, you know, weeks prior. Get it done weeks prior to said event, whatever it may be. So I don't have to worry about it anymore. The reason why I don't like other reasons why I don't like doing keys as well, especially here, people are very demanding when it comes to keys. Like there's been a job I've done everything they've asked for, sent it to them, then they sent it back and said, I don't like it. I was like, oh, so what does that mean? I don't like it. And I said, oh, okay, bring it back in. Here's the money. And then they left. And then I get a message like a week later, oh, can I have the key back? And I went, no. No, you can't. And she's like, but it's specifically made for my daughter. I said, oh, I shaved your daughter's name off and sold it to someone else. And the last text I sent was, don't waste my time. And I blocked the number and moved on. Yeah. Yeah, it's I'll be a hard ass with those kind of people. Like even my own grandmother. One of my grandmothers asked for a taiaha. She's like, oh, moko, I need a taiaha. I was like, oh, yep. 5k. And she was like, what? No thank you then. Hung up. It rings 2 days later. Moko, can I get you to carve a taiaha for your cousin please? I went, oh, yep, 6k. She's like, why is it going up? So we just cause. But really I didn't want to do it because that's just the way she is. Nebashe, thank you for the 6 months as well. Thank you very, very much. Yeah, that's just the kind of person she was, and you know, I was not in the mood for that energy. Yeah, I was not in the mood for that energy, guys. So yeah, I started doing that. Thank you very much, Nabashi. And yeah, she never rang me up again, which was good. Like, I mean, I didn't mind not doing it. Okay, well. Shit, I think that's him, guys. There's other stuff we can do to it right now, but I don't know if it's like worth showing. I'm just cleaning the sides. It's kind of all I'm doing right now, just cleaning the sides. Yeah, there isn't really much left to do. Yeah, I can get all these 1%ers done off stream, but I think this is it. Crazy that you know, the current carving that I'm supposed to be doing, I've had to I've had to stop doing it twice in order to do a commission for someone close. So this is what we've been carving, right? So this is what we've actually been doing. This hay tiki here. And I've had to stop doing it twice in order to basically focus on pieces for close family members. So this is what I've actually been doing, this here. That one there, guys. And then I've been asked by two people, my cousin for this job and a very good bro of mine from high school who asked for a piece for his wife. Now here we banged that out, got it all done. Yeah, got it all done. So yeah, I've been triple dipping. Your boy's been triple dipping through this whole entire thing. Okay. Yeah, I think we'll finish up early. I know I try and go for 3 hours every day, but I don't want to hold you up when we've got everything done, you know? I hope that makes sense to you guys. But yeah, I think that's going to be us for today. GG's. This is the last time you'll see this key too. I won't be showing it on stream anymore. Yo, what's up, Thousand Sunset? How you doing, brother? Yeah, we'll call time on this. So there it is once again, guys. So this is a key for my nephew. And yeah, she's done. All done. Yeah, I won't be showing it on stream anymore because I gotta do his name. I gotta do his name now, and I don't wanna be showing that to the world. What'd you have for lunch, Ed? Yeah, I'll probably just clean up all of that offline. But yeah, it's pretty much all there. Nothing else to do to it other than give it over. Yeah. And then we'll get back to the actual mahi after I've handed this off. But yeah, that's pretty much it. GG's. I'll put this to the side. Alright, legends. That is going to be... Do you have a peculiar type of wood that is just... or just any softwoods? Just ones that I don't have to pay for. Yeah. That's my kind of type, my bro. And I say that with all honesty. With my chest. Mind, body and soul. Free timber is usually the best to me. Yeah. You know, no matter how ugly the timber is, that's the joy of it, eh? Turning, you know, the most undesirable into the desirable. if that makes sense. But yeah, that's his key done. I'll do the name up in my own time, and yeah, back to the other piece. Back to the other piece, whānau, and then that will be it. What's today? Monday. It is Monday today. Who knows? I might actually just go and train some chess today. Chess may be on the cards today, guys, since I train in the lunch hour when barely anyone's there, which is always good. There also, I want to ask, let me turn this other camera off before I ask. Hold up, just sorting my tabs out. Okay. Oh, chill, my bro. How do I get into wood carving? I just wanted to for a while and I just don't know where to start. Well, first of all, you'd probably need some carving tools. Look around your local area. You know, hardware stores. Sometimes antique shops may have the odd gems in there as well, my bro. That'd definitely be a start. And then the timber and whatever you like kind of bench you have, my bro. So I've got to ask a question, okay? Here's my question. Is it a red flag if I'm at the gym? Let me rephrase that. Greetings from Panama. Kia ora, my bro. How's it in Panama, my bro? Okay, here we go. My question is it a red flag if I am at the gym and the thing that is playing through my headphones is the champion Aatrox from League of Legends, and his voice lines are giving me unimaginable pumps. Like, I get racked up listening to his voice lines, eh? By the way, his name is the World Ender. So yeah, man, I listened to Aatrox's voice lines at the gym, and holy, they hit pretty hard. So yeah, that's my question. Let me know in the comments. Yo, not that guy. Thank you very much for the follow, my bro. Okay, yeah, that's gonna be us for today. Yo, Robbie, how many we got over on Kick right now? I don't know who to raid. My wife goes to the gym around 4 AM and with her then. And I don't have to worry about the direction I'm looking at when walking out. Yeah, I'll be honest, there's been a few gym girls that will like stand in front of my FOV, and then they're like, oh, fuck off. My ass is stronger and better looking than yours anyway. Every time, bro, every time. I don't care how big your ass is. What's your deadlift? That would impress me. Yeah, it's oh bro, it's been happening a lot, eh? Like, even that's why I stopped doing those gym streams. Like, I did one, and then there was a girl behind me that walked past, and she went, oh, and my intrusive thoughts was, I was like, no, fuck off. I need you to oil this man right now. Yeah, my intrusive thoughts was saying, back elbow. Thank you very much, Heartbreaker, for the Optimus Prime, my bro. But I'll never do that. I'll never lay my hands on a female. Any my wife. When it's Mr. Nasty Tom. Nah, not even that. I just give the friendly reminder of a spank. Can't do that right now, she's in the mood. Yeah, if you have a wife or a partner, do the occasional spank on the daily, okay? To keep the balance of the universe. You heard it from me. I do it every day. But yeah, that's gonna be me. I'm just yapping now. Yeah, we are finishing a wee bit early. Not like not ideal for me personally, but there's nothing left. There's nothing left to do on that piece, other than the name, which I can't show you. But yeah, thank you very much for tuning in for that commission inside of the commission. For now, I'm gonna love and leave you, GGs. Have a good one. I need to be on the lookout for some more protein. I need some more protein. I ran out last week. But yeah, have a good one. Peace out. If I see you tonight, I don't know. I really want to get back into reading, but then again, I'm enjoying Overwatch a hell of a lot too. But yeah, for now, GGs. Love yous all, and I'll see you later. Choo-choo. Thank you very much for the following on there, guy. Appreciate you, brother.